There is no way this is possible. But when the sky turns green, it's not Photoshop or a filter. It's nature's warning system. This eerie green glow happens when sunlight filters through storm clouds packed with hail. The science? Blue light from the sky scatters, mixes with golden sunset tones, and reflects off ice particles, creating that supernatural green hue. If you ever witness this rare phenomenon, take shelter immediately. Green skies often signal severe thunderstorms or tornadoes nearby. In nature, color isn't just for beauty. Sometimes it's the most important warning you'll ever see.